In the dead of night, eerie sounds echo through Japan's empty prison halls. Guards and inmates alike report chilling noises that vanish without a trace. Some believe these unsettling echoes hint at secrets long buried beneath these walls. Investigations reveal no machinery or animals to explain the haunting sounds. Could it be a psychological effect haunting stressed and isolated prisoners? Or might these noises signal something beyond natural explanations? Historical whispers recall dark experiments in vanished souls from the past. Theories suggest these ghostly echoes might be trapped voices of the forgotten. Officials remain silent, deepening the mystery and fueling speculation. What if these sounds hold a hidden truth no one dares to face?